You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. We are here with another video with a different setup. This time we are going to be using the Fuji XT5 with the XF 50mm lens for this particular shoot that I did in my home studio. Now, I wanted to give you all the breakdown of this particular shoot before we get into it, because I wanted to reiterate and bring it back to let everyone know that you don't need an elaborate setup to get the job done. So we have the camera setup that I used here with off-camera flash, but more particularly, what did I use? I used a Godox V1. And I only used a Godox V1. So it is only a one light setup. And I believe that these lights can add some character. So what I did with this particular shoot is use the Godox V1, and it comes with an additional accessory that you can purchase, which is the AKR1 kit. But inside of that kit, I just simply used this Snoot. So take this, put it right on top, and then I had it on my handy dandy C-stand, and this is the only light that I used. So that is the lighting setup. And let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this Fuji XT5? Peace. I'm actually using the modeling lamp on the Godox V1 to get the lighting placement for this Snoot. So now that I have it, it's actually funny because the placement where it is not where the light is actually falling. So I have the lighting where I want it. So now I'm going to turn on the lights and we're going to start shooting. All right, I'm going to do 1, 2. All right, give me one over top of the head, yeah. 1, 2. Cross your legs for me. You can do that? Yeah, and then do the same thing. 1, 2. Perfect. What I want you to do is like kind of pull up on the sides right here. Yeah, 1, 2. Nah, for real. Get your hair off your shoulder. Yeah, perfect. And give me one hand. Yeah, perfect.
Ooh. They go have all
come back just a tad bit. Yeah, back that way and then back that way. Yeah, right there. Perfect. Yep. That's perfect right there. 1, 2. All right. Do the same thing. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. Take a couple more like that. 1, 2. 2. And hold that right there. I'm gonna get one like right here. Ooh, ooh. 1, 2. 1, 2. And give me both of your hands up on the wall. Yep. 1, 2. Perfect. Love it, love it, love it. So you can actually come a little bit closer.
Oh.
And yeah. Yeah. 1, 2. Yep. And lean on this shoulder. Yeah. That way. And move this hip out a little bit. Yeah, and extend that. Yeah. And then let these fall kind of like up there. Yeah. Yep, just like that. 1, 2. Now we have our quick and dirty backdrop. I just wanted to add some texture to the scene, so I'm not more so focused on this background because I'm going to pull her from it a little bit, but it is going to add some texture to go with it. So we're going to get some shots like this and see what they look like. All right, 1, 2. Perfect. Right there. 1, 2. 1, 2. See, let's see. 1, 2. 1, 2. So what I want you to try to do is, let's see if you can put your hands like right there, and one like right there. Yeah. And see if you can come like this. Yeah. Or you can actually just come like that. Yeah. That's good. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I want you to like hold your hand out too to this. Yeah. Bring it up a little bit like this. Yeah. Bring it into you a little bit. Yeah.
I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD. And if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the videos that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.